viewers. Hey, our Facebook viewers. We're going to make slime today. So let's get started.
Whoa, we're going to make some slime.
I want clear glue. You can have this white one.
Whoa.
We'll pour that in.
So I got some clear glue.
No, you got white glue.
Oh, I got slimy glue. White glue. Wow.
If you guys can't see my bowl.
Oh my goodness. I dropped it on me. It's okay.
Okay, good. Get all of it in there.
Alright, so we're going to have to watch it. Hey, we got 2 viewers. Hey guys, we're making slime. What?
Okay, there we go.
So we got clear glue and white glue here.
Yours is white glue, mine's clear.
I know, that's so silly, eh guys?
Okay.
We have 2 people watching us.
Which one do you want? What color do you want?
The color what? Paint?
Mm-hmm.
We have a couple colors. We should show our viewers what colors we have.
We have gold, silver, and this metallic blue.
Whoa. So I'm going to pick a gold. Unless you want it. Hey Amanda, how's it going?
I want silver.
We are making slime.
I'm going to put my silver in.
I'm still trying to get my glue out. Hold
No, that's
glue.
okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just swipe it like this. And then flip it over.
Ah! That's crazy.
Okay, I'm going to put some of my little silver.
Amanda says hi.
Hello, Amanda. Ooh, this is going to look pretty. Amanda, look at mine and other viewers.
Oh. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so pretty.
Okay, mix it.
Wait, I want people to see it. Look, guys.
You made a star.
I don't know what I made, but it looks awesome. Well, yours is all silvery.
Holy shit. Holy moly.
Holy
dogs.
moly. Our dogs are being playful. Look, guys. Holy
My
smell
silver
is
mess.
Mine's glue, so it's going to be like an
Oh
angel.
no, it's not gold. I'm going to put some more. I'm sorry we're touching you.
What are you doing? Now it's going to be really gold. Looks almost like a cupcake, but not quite. Or
guys,
almost more like caramel.
You guys see who's better.
Let us know which one you like the better, guys.
Silver or gold?
Silver or... Hey, it's almost like Christmas colors. It is. We got gold over here, guys, that I'm creating, made with glue and gold paint.
Okay.
And Amber Lee.
You want a fluffy slime?
Sure.
Okay.
Amber Lee used silver and clear glue.
I'm putting some in.
No, I just putting shaving cream in here. Whoa. Well,
Okay.
are you sure it's safe?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
1 second. We have...
Here, let me try. No, it doesn't. I think it's almost done. Wait.
Now look.
Oh my gosh, don't do that.
Okay.
This is old school shaving cream, you guys. What does it say? Silver. Oh, Amber Lee.
Hooray.
Amanda likes silver. Ew.
Okay, so I'm gonna activate with our tie. If you guys don't know how to make slime, you have to add glue, white glue or clear glue, or any other color.
Oh, I see the problem.
Blue coloring or paint. And if you want, you can put glitter inside or your other. And if you have shaving cream, you can use...
Well, shaving cream, that's not crap. Ours is really bad. Oop, I think we need some paper towels. What?
Hey, you got some on me.
I know, I'm sorry, I apologize.
My silver actually looks pretty. Don't you guys think it looks pretty?
Silver and gold. Hey, you should try to add a bit of shaving cream if you can.
No!
It smells weird.
I'm going for a butter slime.
Butter? Oh.
I'm putting some...
Yours would probably turn out better than mine, definitely.
Here we go. I put some activators, a tiny amount, because I don't know how much I need.
I wish I could take this out of the can. Holy crap. This is so bad. This is like the worst shaving cream in the world, you guys.
Be quiet.
Hey, Chris, how's it going? We're making slime. What?
Which one do you like? What colors do you like better, silver or gold?
We have gold slime over here.
And mine's sticky still. Sorry,
hers is silver.
Hey, I'm putting activator.
Whoa, hey Ashley, we are making slime. Well, attempting to anyways. And I have this really, really bad shaving cream. It smells so bad. Old school moldy.
It's good thing there's lotion here.
Woo!
Oopsie, I forgot to get it.
That's okay. Lotion can always be gotten, I should say. We have 3 viewers, Amberly. What do you think?
No, it looks like we have 4.
Oh, looks good, Amberly.
Which one do you like better?
Chris, you're on the spot. Which slime is better? Silver slime or gold slime? We want to know. Comment down below, guys. Amberly's hands are full, so she can't really do anything. But I'm going to be the narrator for her.
Not fair.
I know. Ew, this stuff is gross. It's expired shaving cream, guys. Never use it. Never use it. We got silver. We got 2 silvers. Amanda said silver. Ashley says silver. Chris, what do you think? Do you like silver slime or gold slime?
Oh, no, mine's messing up. I knew
yours actually looks almost like a blue.
No, mine's...
Did you put too much?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. She put a lot of Tide. Oh, you got a heart, abs. Aw. Well, you can help me make mine. I didn't do anything yet. Let me put a little bit of activator.
You don't know.
This is Tide soap, you guys.
But you...
So you don't even have to buy these Nickelodeon slime ingredients. Oh, we got 3 silvers, Amps.
What?
Woohoo!
No.
Let's see. This is Tide soap, guys. Your kids get a hold of this. Good luck doing laundry. I'm just saying. Haha. Bada bing, bada boom. And
Be
that's
quiet.
the way the cookie crumbled. Excuse me.
Is there any gold in there?
And this one? Definitely not. Nobody voted gold. But if I'm lucky. Oh my goodness. I forgot to put glitter, guys.
No, not yet.
Oh, that's after?
Yeah.
Oh, I was about to add it in here. Good save, good save. I think it's creating slime.
I don't think... Okay, get in your hands.
No, I am not going to put it in my hands, guys.
But you have to.
Ew, this is already gross.
You have to,
It looks like boogers. No. Don't. I'm not going to put that in my hands. That is so gross. Ew. She's actually making me touch this. I have...
Mix it in your hands.
That is so gross. Now I have her slime mixed in mine, and mine's not even created. Ew. Okay, guys, parents, do not try this at home. Kids will bring out the weirdest ingredients. My daughter's 8 years old, guys. Grade 3 student, and they know where it's at. They know where the household ingredients are.
Whatever.
And they will find it. And they will either make edible slime, or they will make some kind of glow-in-the-dark slime, or they will make something. Oh my gosh, I think I created a slime, you guys.
2 hands!
Oh my gosh, no, not yet. I'm still twirling this. It's getting all the glue off. Look at this, guys.
Okay,
oh
guys,
my God.
I got my slime. I didn't go get the lotion. But we don't have any because we ran.
Why are you using lotion?
So we're using sunscreen. It works as well.
Ooh, I'm still getting this stuff off, guys.
Sunscreen works as well.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
Let me show you guys. I'm actually putting it in.
Oh, that is so gross. She put suntan lotion on there. Ew.
What? It works as well.
Look, guys, I made slime. Look, guys.
Mix it in with 2 hands. That's too sticky.
Oh my God, it's like so sticky.
Put more activator.
No, but then it's gonna make it like putty, and it's not gonna be slimy.
You guys, is anyone a gold fan?
Does anybody like gold slime, you guys? This is a lot of glue. Oh my gosh.
There's lots of silver.
Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit of activator.
Told you.
Hey,
Yay!
We are doing slime, you guys. This is activator, in case you guys don't know. Tide soap. It's gonna make my gold slime blue, unfortunately. Bluish.
Mine's not gold. Blue?
No, it's like a blue, and it's gonna make it really sticky, like a metallic-y. we have Carrie watching us. Hey, Carrie, we are making
Carrie,
slime.
do you like gold or silver? Ew, ew.
Oh, this is not even gold anymore. This is literally Tide soap slime. I don't know.
That's how I feel.
It was slimy.
And Chucky's is the judge if you guys don't know.
Oh, we don't know.
Who's he's gonna pick?
Okay,
mine's rubber.
There has to be. Mine's really rubbery. I'm not gonna even add anything else. Lotion. I think this is a fail, guys. A complete fail. Oh, this is gross. This is not even slime. I think. What are we supposed to even do with this stuff?
Oh, looks like. What's your name?
Carrie was watching, but now we have no viewers. Everybody left.
What?
I don't know. They'll come back. Guess it's time to repair this.
Okay.
The lotion's supposed to make it work.
No, it's.
Hey, it's doing something to my slime. I think the lotion's actually helping it. Look at this. It's fixing it. Can you believe that? I actually needed lotion. That's your repair. It's instant repair.
Sunscreen.
So guys, if you ever make homemade slime and you messed up the way we did, well, nothing's really a mess up. But if you guys actually make a bobo and you need a quick fix, you just got to add sunscreen to your homemade slime. And look at this. It instantly mix. No, wait. Do not mix. No. We want to have one good one. Okay. I am ready to add my glitter.
No, but you're not.
Why not? Hey, we have Teresa.
Let me mix it in.
We have another viewer, Ams. We have Teresa. That's my brother's mom.
Yeah.
She lives in Prince Edward Island. So, Teresa, we are making slime. What? Okay. I'm ready to add some glitter.
No, you're not.
Yeah, because it's going to be mixed glitter.
Let me do a slime swirl.
Please do not mix up my slime. Don't. Okay. We're doing this for our viewers. Okay. We have to show them how nice we can be.
The silver's for me.
Silver?
Yes, for me. Yours gold.
Oh, really? I thought we got to pick our own colors.
Nope.
Oh.
You picked.
So wait a minute.
Gold.
If I got this correct, we have to stay with our color?
Yep.
Oh. Thanks for the love. We gotta love. Woo woo. I gotta love. You gotta love. Everybody got loved.
Get out the screen.
Hey. This is supposed to be the mother and daughter show. We're doing a slime thing. What?
If you guys don't know what our
2 viewers. You want some of your hands?
Okay, let me mix it in.
Oh, she's playing with my gold slime, guys. I created that. Okay, wait. Let me put the slime. So I get to use this gold here. Look, guys, I got gold glitter. What?
Tacky!
You're gonna be a judge here for slime afterwards.
Now.
Well, now. You are being called in to our video on Facebook Live.
Wow, that's actually good.
So, gotta find a way to open this. We've had people popping in and out. We're gonna need some scissors.
Chucky, you can stay. Okay, how about when Mama tries to open that? How about you rate mine first?
I'm gonna need scissors of some sort.
For the win-win.
Wait, we need glitter, right?
Yeah.
Where did 2 pairs of scissors go that were on that tray?
Oh, I need some of
Inside of my art.
I need some of the.
You know where my shelves are? My small shelves?
Mine's a little rippy.
My small drawers. I have scissors in there.
Which small?
Over near the living room. The small drawers there.
Oh.
There's scissors in there.
Oh no, mine's getting all messed up.
Oh my goodness, what color is that?
Silver.
That is like a bright metallic silver.
No, it's not.
Me glitch, thank you.
You can go with me at first, but I'm just mixing my hand.
Wait, I'm out of my glitter.
But next time, guys, we're doing a time. No!
Yeah? That's
Not
just,
yet.
You gotta add your glitter. Oh my gosh, it's creating a cool effect, and I still have leftover gold glitter. What are you doing, Amberly? That's not part of this process. Okay, so what color are you gonna use? Blue or silver?
I need silver.
Glitter. So let's shift it over here so people can see what you're doing. Ah, my
So
goodness.
let me. Oh no. Okay, guys, don't mind that. Let me just.
Would you like me to add the silver?
No,
You're still adjusting it? Oh,
I made a.
for some reason this camera keeps shifting over. There we go. We fixed it. So, give us a few more minutes. We're not ready.
No, we are.
Oh, we are? Not yet. I was ready, but now I have to reapply my silver. Oh, there it doesn't even look like there's any sparkles on it now.
Ha 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 ha.
So wait, now I gotta fix it again. Now it's not even ready. Oh, look at this. It's like, oh my word. We will be back to judge in a few more minutes, guys. We only have one viewer at the moment, so we gotta wait till we get more viewers to do this judging. How's everybody gonna know who's gonna win?
I'm definitely gonna win.
I don't know.
Silver is the best. Silver is the best. Elvis, which one do you like better, gold or Silver?
This is Elvis.
I don't know.
Pick one.
Depends on what it is.
We are making slime. We actually made slime. Homemade slime, guys.
Chucky, we're ready.
Come judge this. Elvis, come judge this.
I thought Chucky was doing it.
Both of them can.
Okay, so Elvis, which one do you want to judge, mine or?
Oh, this way people can actually see it. Wait, we're gonna flip the camera.
Chucky picked Silver.
I don't know if it's possible, but
Wee.
okay.
Silver stretchy.
Silver, I can't even see the silver. Watch your hands.
Okay, Elvis, you touch it.
Fuzzy rubber.
Where's-
Rubber?
Oh,
Oh.
oh.
Both of them.
Stop
So,
it!
what do you think about this gold one,
I'm
Elf?
trying to pick it up.
Oh,
No.
The gold one's like slime.
Yeah.
oh.
This one's like
This one's like really weird.
solid.
Solid something.
I don't mind it.
Which one's gold? Which one's more slimy?
Yours.
So, okay. So,
Who's the winner?
who's gonna be the winner? Mine feels more gluey. Wait, let me feel yours, Hams.
Yeah, like hers is like solid, where yours is like goop.
Mine, which one? Is it supposed to be goopy?
Yeah.
Let me feel yours.
It don't matter if it's goopy or solid. They're both.
I'm not sure how slime's supposed to be. I thought it was like, I felt slime before and it felt like it was literally falling off my hands. Let me see yours. Oh, this one's cool.
Let
Hey.
me go!
Yeah.
Hair slime cling to me. Look at this. It's like
I know
boogers.
you're sticking to me, and I can't get it off my finger.
Chucky, judge!
Oh.
I like Ambers. I don't want to come off.
Who's the winner?
You.
I would say my slime.
Look at it. I can't get it
My
off my
slime
fingers.
is the best. You know why? Look. It's so.
But Chucky,
gooey.
Oh, that was cool.
Chucky, let me show you something else. I'm gonna put clay in my slime.
She's gonna
Ooh,
add
spit
clay.
it on- Oh, I got slime on my sock.
So, in case anybody's wondering, which one did O's say? Amber's or mine?
I don't know.
Mine.
Should ask him again.
Hey, oh! Which one did you say?
We gotta get Wendy to judge. Wendy, you have to come judge the slime.
She doesn't like slime.
But she's still pretty good at judging. She's a girl.
So what? She's a girl.
She can help judge. Jeez.
I'm mixing this in.
Hard decision.
Add your glitter, quick.
No, I'm not ready.
But she's just about ready. I gotta show her them.
Oh, she's tired, I think.
Is she tired?
Yeah, she's laying down.
Oh, she's lying down? Aw, poor Wendy.
I'm mixing in the clay.
You mixed in clay. Wow.
If you want, you can add your clay.
Clay. I don't want to add clay because then it's not going to feel like this anymore. Do you want to keep this slime, Ems?
No.
You don't want my slime?
No.
Wow.
You can have it.
I thought you would have wanted to keep it in a container. I can keep it then.
What?
If you don't want it, I'll keep it.
Wow, it's actually good.
It feels good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to keep it or no?
Yeah.
Is it a throwaway slime?
No.
Wait, I don't think there's enough glitter. I'm gonna cheat now.
No.
If you're gonna keep it, no. We already got the judge. Wendy's tired, so everybody voted you.
She's cheating!
Ah, wait. I like the color of Amber slime, so vote for Amber. Amber, you gotta vote. That's Teresa that said that for you. What do you say?
Thank you.
She says, thank you, Teresa. But look at mine. This is gold.
I don't think anyone likes gold.
But it's so Christmassy. Or is it so last season, guys? I know it's so...
Thanksgiving gold.
I know, mine doesn't even look like gold. It looks white. Or it's like beige. I don't even know.
Yay, mine's better.
Oh, wait. Can I add a different color now?
Comment.
Oh, you got a thumbs up, Ams. From Teresa. In our next live video, guys, we are going to gather up ingredients. Actually, it's going to have to be this week. Mom's going to have to gather ingredients. Probably sometime this week. We'll make a surprise video where we make a Christmas slime. Where I'm going to have to get all kinds of like little beads from the dollar store even.
I have beads.
But we don't have the Christmas colors
Yes, I do.
to make slime.
Mm-hmm.
So you can make a green slime and I can make a red slime.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. But what is it we're missing in slime stuff?
Pigment.
Which is food coloring, right?
No.
What is it? Paint?
Pigment is something to make it shiny. Shiny.
Ooh, like metallic?
Yeah, and we need food coloring.
Okay, I'm going to add a different color now.
No!
So you're just going to keep a plain, boring slime? What are you going to name this slime?
Gold nasty.
Gold Nasty. This is pink.
Nope.
You don't want pink in it? Oh. She actually just wants me to keep this. Can you believe this, guys? Okay. I'm going to need a container for this then.
Thank you, Teresa, for giving us a thumbs up.
We only got one viewer, and that's Teresa. I wonder if everybody went to bed. Well, it is almost 10 o'clock, so we have 10 minutes left of our video, guys. So, what do you guys think? Teresa, what should we do with our slime?
Throw hers away or keep it?
Should I keep this slime? Or should I toss it in the trash? If this was you, what would you do, Teresa? Would you keep it? Or would you get rid of it? Honestly. Is it worth keeping? Or is it worth throwing in the garbage? I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. What would you do, Amberly? Would you keep it?
Keep it.
I would say it's a keeper. Because actually, do you want to know something? I actually like this slime. You're welcome. I'm off to bed now. Sure, keep it. See? She said to keep it. Amberly, I was so right. Everybody's going to bed. You have school tomorrow, so you will be wrapping up.
No.
We have 9 minutes left of our video. So
guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, have a good sleep. And bye-bye.
don't forget to subscribe and follow us if you are not. And we will continue to make videos every day. You never know what activity we'll do next. Dun, dun,
You will
dun.
never know. So, guys, I'm heading out.
All right, guys. Have a good night. Sleep well.
And have a great sleep. But goodbye.
Goodbye.